take me home tonight.
Also an actual an outfit for your date night. Why can't I speak? Am I one? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Jasmine. I film beauty, fashion, and occasionally lifestyle videos. And today I did this look, and it's a date night look. I also did an outfit choice as well for
It's over, yeah. Drastic changes in the making. I won't stop until we make it. Your body's sudden like Jamaican weather. Hot girl, I can't take it. Hey, your mommy, while she a bad 10, only concerned about what the friends drink. Shawty roll up in a party, hold up in the way she play it ain't a game. I can't get her off my mind. Stands out from the rest of the crowd. She asks what they don't, so she does what she wants, and them girls get jealous when she walks in. Hey, forgive her, 2 shots of tequila. Got her confidence up, hey, and she don't really need much, no. Yeah. To make you fall in love. No, she don't really need much, no. Yeah. To make you want her. No, she don't really need much, no. Yeah, no, she don't really need much, no. I catch her eyes, she's watching from afar, and now I'm thinking, place my intentions on the line. I hope you're vibing right when I approach you. Tell me what it do. Can I make you dance, baby? Can I make you move? I've been watching what you do, girl. Slow wine, oh my. Granted, if we take it there, I'll take my chance and shoot. Yeah, forgive me. 2 shots on the Henny. Got my confidence up, and I don't really need much, no. Yeah. To make you fall in love. No, I don't really need much, no. Yeah. To make you want me. No, she don't really need much, no. She don't really need much, no.
is the finished look. You guys can have a look-see. Just kidding with you guys. I hope you guys like it and give it a try. Please leave in the comments down below what you would like to see next for me, and please also be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And I know I'm saying that for like the billionth time, but that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Bye!
Oh my god, I was not filming this entire time. Okay.